So when you got the headphones on and you're hearing the audio from the camera coming to the left ear and you're hearing it come through, it's like, whoa, you're in it. But anyway, yeah, I'm just making, since direct upload is such an easy way to make videos, whenever I'm just kind of bored and it's just kind of fun to just make videos of just doing different things just for fun, just make videos. And if anyone actually wants to watch through the whole video instead of saying you have wasted X minutes and Y seconds of my life, well then, how about that? I'll take the headphones off and proceed. First I'll have a question. Do you like how I used X minutes and Y seconds? How I used math terms? X and Y. Anyway. I have no trash can in my room, so I just put those 2-liter bottles right under my bed. And by the way, I've got a fan here that I sometimes run during the night to keep it from overheating in my room. It's not any of those special vintage box fans, but it does the job. It's Alaska. Yeah, I know. Okay. If you saw my last video called Preparing and Random Stuff, or something, that recorder that I showed, to see a better view was this model. It is a General Electric recorder. And not only is this recorder from the early 80s, probably 1980, I'm estimating around 1982 or so. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe 83. But this recorder looks pretty up there, It looks like one of those better ones. Has a lot of nice features, but it is DC bias. But with it being from the 80s, this tape is also from the 80s, so it has a good complement using this tape with it. Let's see. Auditron Hi-Fi Low Noise C60. Even has that compact cassette thing on. Oh, there is a plug right. Oh, I already showed it off right. There's another YouTuber. Just to make sure, I'm going to check his name. But I'm sure I know his name. I'm going to take a little bit of your time by checking this YouTube and wasting unedited out time. I have to apologize for being sort of stupid. Even if I know the name, I just want to make sure, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I know. His YouTube name is Sundancer213. He has a recorder that is almost identical to this model. It pretty much is identical, differing from one thing, is that this one has a remote jack on it. Other than that, and yeah, it's a model number has a B at the end. His is a 3-5157A. This is a 3-5157B. I've also got the A one in better condition than this one, but I've had this one for a long time and it's kind of special. But anyway, so it's like the same model. So it's pretty awesome that he's got the same machine. If any more YouTube people have this model cassette recorder and haven't made a video showing it record and playback and stuff, I recommend you make a video of it because it's a neat recorder, even though it's DC bias. But you can see. Oh yeah. I made a Lego speaker. I got a tiny speaker and put it inside a Lego container. There with the camera again. And it's got a jack on the other side. Since this has batteries, I will run it with this Passport R215 cassette recorder. First, I'll use it as a microphone. I'm using this Lego speaker as a Lego microphone. Let's see if this will sound. Safety. Wait a second. Okay, now I'm going to play it back through this Lego speaker. Using this Lego speaker as a Lego microphone. Let's see if this will sound. This is how this sounds through the speaker. Speaker as a Lego microphone. Let's see if this will sound. Yeah, I know. And then I got this thing. Okay. And I got another cassette deck recently. A Sansui cassette deck that I hope won't be blurry, but could very much likely so be blurry as it is. My firewire is about to come out. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, there it is. Momentum's increasing. There is a Sansui cassette deck. I had to align the head, it was misaligned when I got it. Other than that, it's very nice. And it's extremely high quality. Under it is a very nice realistic stereo, and it's hooked up to 2 speakers. These speakers were originally Lloyd's speakers. There's another one on the other side, but you can't see it. And they had 2 6.5-inch just speakers. And, of course, they had no tweeters. And the speakers weren't anything great. They were just very basic. So I replaced them with nice 6.5-inch woofers that had whizzers in them, so they could do treble too. So it uses 2 6.5-inch in each box. And I use identical ones that were salvaged out of old, thrown out big screen projection televisions. And they're very nice. They can do very good bass, and they also do very good treble with their whizzers. And those speakers now put out a very nice sound. But since they're both 8 ohm and in parallel, it makes it 4 ohms. So I got to be careful which stereo I use. Hope you enjoyed this video.